Good morning, my children. How are you all? Today, we will be starting our new lesson, that is, Lesson 4, The Sky Above Us. I will be reading and also explaining you all the lesson. Please be ready on page number 121 of Term 3 Reader. But before I start the lesson, please watch this interesting clip.
The sky above us. When we look up in the open, we see the sky above us. On a sunny day, the sky looks blue. We can see the sun, white clouds, and birds in the sky during the day. The sun looks like a big ball of fire. The sun shines brightly. It gives us heat and light. Every morning, the sun rises in the east and brings a new day. Every evening, the sun sets in the west. It becomes dark and night falls. At night, we see many stars twinkling in the sky. The sun and the stars are bigger than the earth. But they look small because they are very far from us. We cannot see stars during the day because of bright sunlight. At night, we see the moon in the sky. It gives light at night. The moon changes its shape every day. Sometimes it looks like a bright round ball. It is a full moon. Sometimes we see a half moon at night. The moon has many other shapes also. On a rainy day, we see dark clouds in the sky. Sometimes they hide the sun. Dark clouds usually bring rain. When the sun comes out after it rains, sometimes we see a rainbow. It looks very beautiful. It has 7 colors.
Are you all ready with your Term 3 Reader? Please take out page number 121. This will be our fourth lesson, that is the sky above us. Let me explain you the lesson. When we look up in the open, we see the sky above us. What do you see up in the open? We see the sky, blue sky. On a sunny day, the sky looks blue. What happens on the sunny day? The sky looks blue because it is very bright and it is very sunny. So the sky looks blue on this day. We can see the sun, white clouds and birds in the sky during the day. So what can we see during the day, children? We can see when the sun is bright, the sky is blue. We can see the white clouds. We can see the birds and everything very clearly on a bright sunny day. Okay? The sun looks like a big ball of fire. It shines brightly. It gives us heat and light. So what the sun gives us, children? It gives us heat and also light. If there is no light, everything will be dark. So it is the sun which gives us light. And when it is too bright, that is in the month of March, April, May, because it is summer season, it will be very bright. The sun will be very bright and it looks like a big ball of fire. Okay? And what the sun gives us, children? It gives us heat and light. Okay? Turn to page number 122. Every morning, the sun rises in the east. In the east and brings a new day. Every evening, the sun sets in the west. It sets in the west. It becomes dark and night falls. So what happened every morning, children? The sun rises in the east. Where does it rise? In the east. And it brings a new day for us. Right? And in the evening, the sun sets in the west. It becomes dark and the night falls. See, sun is rising here. And here the sun is setting. That is in the west. The sun rises in the east and the sun sets in the west. Okay? Then, at night, we see many stars twinkling in the sky. What do you see at night, children? We see many stars that are twinkling in the sky. Okay, can you see them? Yes, what are they seeing in the sky? The stars and the moon. Isn't it beautiful? Yes, we can see stars only at night. Okay, so it looks very beautiful, children. You can go out on the terrace with your parents and see how good it looks at night. You can see all bright twinkling stars and also the moon. Okay, and children, stars together make different patterns also. Okay, so these are the different patterns. This is Urus Minor and this pattern is called Orion. Okay, so these type of patterns they make. Who makes? Stars. Stars make these type of patterns. Okay, now the sun and the stars are bigger than the earth. So the sun and the stars, they are bigger than the earth. But they look small because they are very far from us. Why do they look small, Betty? They look small because they are very far from us. Very, very far from us. But they are very bigger than our earth. Okay? We cannot see stars during the day because of bright sunlight. When the sunlight is very bright, we cannot see the stars during day. We can only see the stars during night. Okay? At night, we see the moon in the sky. It gives light at night. So what happens, Betty? At night, who gives us light? Moon. It gives us very nice light at night. Okay? Some people have also been on moon on rockets. So rockets take us to moon. And some people went to moon. Okay? And moon is very, very, very far from us. But at night, it gives us light. Okay? Now, the moon changes its shape every day. Sometimes it looks like a bright round ball. It is a full moon. Okay? So the moon keeps on changing its shape. First, we see a small moon. See? This small. And then it keeps on changing its shape. Right? And this is full moon day. Okay? And this is half moon day. Other shapes of the moon. You can see it in this picture. Right? So, the moon keeps on changing its shape every day, bete. It keeps on changing its shape every day. So, this is about moon. Sometimes we see a half moon at night. The moon has many other shapes also. Like just now I told you that moon has different types of shapes, and sometimes it looks half moon and sometimes full moon. The moon is showing us different shapes every day. Okay, now comes the multiple choice. First one. At night, we see moon and stars in the dash. Water, sky, land. Where do we see moon and stars at night? In sky. So circle sky and write here sky. S-K-Y. Sky. Okay. Second one. Sun sets in the dash. Where does sun set? West, east or north? I told you sun sets in the west, right? See, you can read it here also. The sun sets in the west. So, please circle west and write here the spelling of west. W-E-S-T. Okay? Now, on a rainy day, we see dark clouds in the sky. Sometimes they hide the sun. Dark clouds usually bring rain. So on a rainy day, we see dark clouds, right? And these dark clouds, they hide the sun. They hide the sun. And these dark clouds also bring us rain. Am I right, children? Yes. See, can you see this picture? The boy is enjoying the rain here. When the sun comes out after the rain, sometimes we see a rainbow. It looks very beautiful. It has 7 colors. See, after the rain stops, children, what comes out? Rainbow. Sometimes you can see the rainbow in the sky and it looks very beautiful. See, they are enjoying rain here and also they are seeing the rainbow. Rainbow has 7 colors. Am I right? Yes, rainbow has 7 colors and we can see on this rainbow when the rain stops and the sun comes out. Okay, so with this I have explained you the 4th lesson, that is the sky above us. Children, your homework for today is to do this activity on page number 121. You need to draw a rainbow and also color it. And please send this homework in your respective class groups. See you all tomorrow. Take care. Bye.